Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. In this video today we will do MCQs of class 10th economics chapter 2 sectors of Indian economy. So let's start today's video. Our first question is, which of these is an example of intermediate goods? Options are rice, wheat flour, biscuit or none of these. Answer is wheat flour. Next question is, underemployment occurs when people, options are don't want to work or work in a lazy manner or working less than what they are capable of or not paid for their work. Answer is working less than what they are capable of. Next question is, the activities which are conducted with the objective to earn money are called, options are primary activities, economic activities or domestic activities or service activities. Answer is economic activities. Next question is, which of these is known as agricultural and related sectors? Options are primary sector, secondary sector, public sector or organized sector. Answer is primary sector. Next question is, which of these activities come under tertiary sector? Options are dairy activities, industrial activities, software industries or forestry activities. Answer is software industries. Next question is, the enterprises of organized sectors that are registered by the government and have to follow the rules and regulations framed under that are, options are Factories Act or Minimum Wages Act or Payment of Gratuity Act or all of these. Answer is all of these, means all these acts are registered by the government. Next question is, underemployment. Options are reduce earning capacity of people or increase employment rate or improve living standard or all of these. Answer is reduce earning capacity of people, because in underemployment people work less than the capacity they are capable of. So it reduces their capacity of earning. Next question is, what does GDP not include? Options are value of all final products or services within a year or profit of Indians in the country or none of these. Answer is profit of Indians outside the country. The people who are living outside the country, their profits are not included in GDP while calculating GDP. Next question is, the situation in which more persons are employed on a job than optimally required. Options are underemployment or disguised unemployment or unemployment or both 2 and 3. Answer is disguised unemployment. The situation in which more persons are employed on a job than optimally required is called disguised unemployment. Like in farming activities, all the members of the family are involved in the farming activities, agricultural activities. Next question is, which of these is or are example of elite activities? Options are horticulture or pisciculture or animal husbandry or all of these. Answer is all of these. All these activities are called allied activities. These are the example of allied activities. Next question is number of days of employment in a year guaranteed by government under Manrega are options are 150 days, 200 days, 100 days or 365 days. Answer is 100 days. 100 days employment are guaranteed by the government under the Manrega. Next question is all the three sectors of economy options are independent of each other or interdependent of each other or organized sector or unorganized sector. Answer is interdependent of each other. All the sectors of economy are interdependent on each other. Next question is which of these sectors has emerged as largest producing sector in Indian economy in last decades? Option are primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector or organized sectors. Answer is tertiary sectors. Next question is which sector constitutes small and scattered commercial units which are outside the control of government? Options are organized sectors or unorganized sector or government sector or none of these. Answer is unorganized sector. That is all for today. I hope you like the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and share with your friends and relatives and subscribe the channel. Bye bye.